Hey everyone, welcome back. In this hands-on video, I'll show you how to display the weather report in your Mac's menu bar. Thanks to a recent update, you can now add a handy weather icon to your Mac's menu bar showing the current temperature alongside a visual indicator of the conditions such as a sun for sunny skies or a cloud for overcast weather. Clicking the icon shows a detailed hourly forecast, upcoming temperatures, and weather updates for saved locations. What's more, it also provides quick access to the full weather app with just a quick click. That's it, let's get started. So first off, you have to click on the Apple menu located at the top left corner of the screen. And then you have to choose the System Settings option in the drop-down menu. And then you have to navigate to Control Center using the left sidebar. And then you have to locate the menu bar only section near the bottom. And alongside weather, click on the tiny sequence and select Show in Menu Bar option, and that's all there is to it. Later, if you ever want to get rid of the weather menu bar item, you can use the same settings menu to select Don't Show in Menu Bar, or alternatively, you can just hold the Command key and click drag the icon out of the menu bar onto your desktop and it will go away right away. And there you have it. Adding the weather report to your Mac's menu bar is a pretty simple way to stay updated at a glance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share and subscribe to our channel for more such handy macOS tips and tricks. And I'll catch you up in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.